Story time with Mrs. Ezebuchi. Hi children, Merry Christmas again. Okay, so you're welcome back to my channel. My name is favourtheteacher Ezebuchi, and today we are gonna be doing what? Reading a story titled Christmas Kittens. Christmas story written by Vivian French and Chris Fisher. So can you see? So there's a little note here. Yeah, it says, "Dear Father Christmas, can I please have a kitten? Just like the little black one we saw. Love, Sophie." That cat needs a friend. Okay, so let's go. Are you ready? Want to go? Remember, if you've not subscribed to Miss Favor's channel, kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe. Okay, all right, so let's go. So here we go. This is what it looks like. And then Christmas Kitten, written by Vivian French and illustrated by Chris Fisher. So that's it. So let's go. Okay, it was the day before Christmas and very cold. The little black kitten was hungry and lonely. He was hungry and he was lonely. "Meow," he said. "Meow." "What a dear little kitten," said a small girl. "I do so want a kitten. Can we take him home, Dad?" Let me come closer so you can see the picture. Can you see the little kitten there? Yeah. Okay. "I'm sure someone's waiting for him, Sophie," said her dad. "I expect he's going home for tea. Just like us." "Meow," said the kitten, meaning no, I'm not, and please take me home with you. But Sophie and her dad didn't understand and hurried away. They didn't understand that the kitten wanted to go home with them. They hurried away. So let's see what really would happen now that they've left the kitten. Can you see the picture? Okay. Let's go on. Some children were playing in a yard. "Meow," said the kitten, running up to them. "Meow." Can you see that? "Cat," said a little girl, and she picked him up. Wow. "Put him down, Rosie," said a big boy. "We are not allowed cats here. Not even at Christmas." Rosie put the kitten down. "Bye, nice cat," she said. Oh no. This kitten is looking for somewhere just to stay or just to call home. Look at the picture. Okay, let's move on, right? Yeah. A shop had shining holly for sale with Christmas cakes and ice buns and sugar biscuits piled up high. The hungry little kitten stood in the doorway. "Meow," he said sadly. "Meow." "No cats here," said a man. "Not even a little one." And he shooed the cat away. "Shoo, shoo, go! No cat allowed here." Oh, poor little cats. Then the Father Christmas is holding something and says, "A very Merry Christmas to all my customers." So here They shooed the cat away. No, look at the cat here. Can you see the cat over here? Look at the cat. And the man shooed. This is a shop, and they shooed the cat away. Poor little cat. Shoo, go away. No cat allowed here. Oh no. Over here. Let's see. The little black kitten jumped to a windowsill. It looked so warm and cozy inside that he longed to be there too. Meow, he said, hopefully. Meow. A little old lady crossed the room and saw him. Oh, what a pity, I've got a birdie, she said. You're such a pretty puss. And she drew the curtains. Nobody wants the cat. Do you want the cat? Over here, can you see her? That's the old woman. Poor thing, nobody wants the cat. It was beginning to get dark. Look at the picture. The little black kitten shivered. The wind was blowing harder, and more people were hurrying home, carrying bags of Christmas shopping. Meow, said the kitten. Meow. But nobody heard him, and he had to run his way and dart in and out of their feet. That's so risky. Nobody wanted a cat. Oh no, everyone got busy shopping for Christmas. Okay, look at the cat trying to run in and out of their feet. Can you see it? Oh, poor little cat. Look at the cat here. Poor little cat. Let's move on. Let's move on. Can you see? The little black kitten crept along the pavement like a little black shadow. Meow, he said in a tiny, tired voice. Meow. He slipped in between the bars of a gate to look for somewhere to sleep. Woof, woof! A dog jumped out and the little kitten turned tail and fled as fast as he could. Oh no! Poor little kitten. Look at the dog. The dog did woof, woof! And the little kitten fled as fast as he could. He was so scared. The little kitten did not have where to sleep. He didn't have a home. No one to take care of the little kitten. Poor little kitten. Let's find out and see what really happened to the kitten. The little black kitten was running so fast that he didn't see the sled and the reindeer in the road. He fell right against it and tumbled into a heap of warm, dry sacks. He sighed, curled up, and went to sleep. It's like luck found him. Finally! See him? Finally, he landed inside. And he found a little place there. He curled up and went to sleep. Finally, he doesn't know where he's going to, but the reindeer is moving. Let's see where he's gonna land. The kitten woke with a start. Someone was talking in a cheerful, rumbling voice. Whatever shall I do? I need just one more present, but there's nothing left in my sacks. The kitten wriggled out to look. Meow, he said. Meow. Do you think that the man or the Father Christmas is gonna take this kitten as the kitten for the little boy? Oh, remember the beginning of the story? Here, the letter said, Dear Father Christmas, can I please have a kitten just like the little black one we saw? Please, that cat needs a friend. Love, Sophie. Now, do you think that this cat that flew into the Father Christmas sleigh is actually gonna be the wish come through for Sophie? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Wow, look at the cat here. Look at the cat. Look at the Father Christmas. This is the reindeer. So let's see what happens. Very interesting, right? Well, I never said Father Christmas. Just the very thing. Oh, sorry. Let's read this part again. The kitten woke with a start. Someone was talking in a cheerful, rumbling voice. Whatever shall I do? I need just one more present, but there's nothing left in my sacks. The kitten wriggled out to look. Meow, he said. Meow. Now let's find out what really would the Father Christmas do with the cat. Okay? Well, I never said Father Christmas. Just the very thing. The kitten held on tight. The sleigh flew up in the air and stopped. Let's see. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, so Father Christmas is going to deliver presents on Christmas morning. Let's see what happens. Father Christmas scooped up the kitten, slid down the chimney. Let's see. Over here. Let's see. Can you see that? He scooped the kitten. Look at the kitten here. He scooped the kitten. And this is a chimney. Let's see what's going to happen. Wow, I am super happy for the kitten. And I'm also beginning to get happy for who? Sophie. Yeah, so let's see. And as he slid down the chimney, and tucked him into a small sock hanging at the end of a small bed. Happy Christmas, Sophie, Father Christmas called and dashed off away. Now, can you see that? And can you see the cat, the kitten here? And together with the letter that Sophie wrote to Father Christmas, which says, Dear Father Christmas, can I please have a kitten just like the little black one we saw? Please, that cat needs a friend. Love, Sophie. So the letter is there with the black cat, and the Father Christmas is going away. He said, Merry Christmas. He has dropped a beautiful gift for Sophie just as she wanted, just as Sophie requested. And here we go. Father Christmas is going. He has delivered the gift, and let's find out what happens. The kitten wriggled inside the socks and fell on the floor with a bump. Sophie opened her eyes. What's that? She said. Meow, said the kitten. Meow. Oh, said Sophie. Oh. She picked up the kitten and hugged him. She picked up the kitten and hugged him. Oh no, that's so interesting. It's my little black kitten. It really is. Oh, little black kitten, will you stay with me forever and ever? Meow, said the kitten. Meow. And he and Sophie called up together to wait for Christmas morning. This is amazing. Can you see that? I love this story. So Sophie got exactly what she wanted. The beautiful kitten for Christmas. The end. Merry Christmas, everyone. Did you enjoy our beautiful story titled Christmas Kitten? Yay, I did. I am so excited, and I'm happy that Sophie found exactly what she wanted, a little black kitten for that cat. So, what did you get as Christmas gift? What would you be giving out today? Would you give out something? Would you share your toys? Would you share a gift with someone today? Yes, because it's Christmas, it's a time to gift. Because God gifted his only son, Jesus. So Christmas is all about Jesus. Christmas is all about giving. Christmas is all about love and sharing. Are you gonna share today? Yay! I am going to share too. Okay, children, once again, Merry Christmas! Can I sing you a little song? Want to go? Okay, let's sing it together. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, children. I am super proud of you. We all made it to the end of the year. Congratulations. So bye. This is the end of our story and I enjoyed it. Well done, and thank you to Vivian French and Chris Fisher. The story was amazing. All right, children, let's give Vivian French and Chris Fisher a tush clap. Want to go? Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Thank you very much for writing this interesting story. We are super excited. Okay, children, this is the end of our story and I'll see you in our next video. Remember to please subscribe, like this video and share. Bye. Merry Christmas. Bye.